Hello friends, this is Adna here. I welcome you all to our channel. Today in this video, I will show you night view of Prinsep Ghat in Kolkata. Prinsep Ghat, located on the banks of river Hooghly, is a majestic structure famous for its Gothic inlays. The beauty of the Prinsep Ghat draws architecture and history buff in the large numbers, but even locals visit to absorb the regal vibe of the attraction. With the magnificent Howrah Bridge in the background, watching the sunrise or sunset and taking a long walk in the cool air on the banks of the river are some of the preferred recreational activities here.
চলো কোথাও চলে যাই ওই আকাশটাকে শুধু চোখে রেখে মনটা কি কোথাও হারায় কি চাইনি কি পাইনি সবই ভুলে যেতে চাই এই শহর থেকে অনেক দূরে চলো কোথাও চলে যাই।
During the British rule, it was used by the staff of the British Royals as a jetty for loading and unloading passengers and essential items. Prinsep Ghat is located between Fort William and the Water Gate and is often visited by tourists exploring these attractions. Prinsep Ghat is built in 1841 during the British Raj. Prinsep Ghat also has a railway station named after it. The station is part of the Kolkata Circular Railway, which is maintained by Western Railway. There is a jetty nearby called the Manowar Jetty that belongs to the Kolkata Port Trust. The jetty is mainly used by the Indian Navy. Prinsep Ghat is one of the few locations that have been restored to maintain the pre-independence era. It is therefore a favorite place amongst photographers, especially for pre-wedding shoots. In between exploring the attraction, if one feels like grabbing a bite, there are several food stalls. You can choose from that which serve local snacks. And there is also have some ice cream parlor and tea stall. Prinsep Ghat is sure to be the highlight of one's trip to Kolkata. If you are looking for some moments of peace and quiet in the bustling city of Kolkata, think no more and head to Prinsep Ghat. This place is good for nature lovers, wanderers and photographers. No entry fees is here. An extra activity here is boat rides that are slow and serene in the water of the river Hooghly. The ghat is stretched from Babu Ghat to Prinsep Ghat on the river bank for amounts 1.5 miles was made in the memory of the Anglo-Indian scholar James Prinsep. Construction was started in 1841 and it was opened to public in 1843. There is a ground also. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you very soon. Bye bye.